Hey Ru, what are you doing?
Biryani.
Biryani?
Yes, I want to have biryani dinner. Will you make it for me?
Done. चलो अम्मू, हमें जाके अम्मी के लिए बिरयानी बनाएंगे.